Hi everyone! Today I'm going to get you in the mood for fall with our pumpkin spice body scrub. So this is what you'll need. About 5 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, a cup of brown sugar, 2 ounces of argan oil, and about 8 to 12 drops of cinnamon. Go ahead and just put everything in this bigger glass bowl. Start with your pumpkin, then you go on to your brown sugar. Add in your argan oil. And finally, the cinnamon. All you have to do is just mix this well. And then add it into a smaller mason jar. You can go ahead and store this mixture in your fridge whenever you need it. And there you have it, our pumpkin spice puree. Now I'm going to show you how to make our argan oil hair serum. All you're going to need for this DIY is 2 ounces of argan oil, 20 drops of the bergamot, and 10 drops of the rosemary. Now we've already pre-filled this with 2 ounces of the argan oil. So next I'm gonna add the bergamot, and that's about 20 drops. And what this hair serum does for your hair is restore the shine, and also it tames your frizz. So who doesn't want that, right? All you have to do is mix all of this together, give it a gentle shake, apply once a week, and you're good to go.